Okay, this shot it is with our own grinded coffee, which is most likely a little too fine for this machine, but let's see. Yes, a little fine, but even more so. That's the way we like to use coffee also for testing. So we are actually putting more force for the machine to have to push through. So far the pin and the shaft were the two parts that I replaced. I don't know if they went out of whack or not, but the top plate has a little normal wear. Yep, the machine right now appears to be doing what it's supposed to. And we let the shut down, restart it, blah blah blah, and then pull a few more shots.